Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am collaborating with Angelica in this. I am not going to do her dirty like that and accidentally mispronounce that because we all know that I can't talk on my channel. I can't pronounce things and I like her, so I'm just not going to do her dirty like that. Today we are picking each other's makeup looks. So if you aren't familiar with Angelica, she's like one of the most colorful, spunky people in the entire world. When I think of her, I think of a beautiful, colorful, just out there eye look. When I think about her, all I can think of is like rainbows, just rainbows and like rainbow brights. That's what she is. She's like this cute little rainbow bright. And I don't know how this is gonna work out for me today though, because she picked out my eyeshadow and lip and I picked out hers. It was hard for me because I'm like, girl, you do all this stuff. Like, I don't want to give you neutrals because, I don't know, I just feel like it would be boring. But at the same time, like, she wears color like I do neutrals. So I tried to challenge her, but I don't think I succeeded. We were trying to come up with a palette that we both had in common. But again, she does those really, really bright looks. And like, I don't have very many of those palettes. So we chose Sydney Grace. And you guys have heard about this brand on my channel several times. It's one of my absolute favorite eyeshadow companies. If you haven't checked them out, you need to, because these are amazing. And this is what Angelica has done to me today. Does this not just look like her? Like, if you follow her, does this not look like one of her eye looks? I feel like I should just go like pick up a tutorial and turn this into, instead of Angelica picks out my makeup look, I'm following an Angelica tutorial and see how we do. But I'm not going to cheat. I'm going to take these shadows and I'm going to apply them. And then she picked out a nude, almost tangerine lip. I'm like, I don't know if I have a nude. I have peachy nudes all day long, but I don't know if I have anything tangerine. We will see. But let's go ahead and see what I can do with these eyeshadows. I'm going to start off with Dreamer. I'm going to place it on the outer corner first. This is a Zoeva 227. Then I'm going to slowly work that shade into the crease and then upward as my transition shade. I'm going to take that same shade on a MAC 221 and I'm going to run it right along the lower lash line. Sticking with the same 221, I'm taking Sunset, again starting on the outer V. And then I'm slowly going to work this into the crease to add some definition. And I'm going to do the same thing with Sweater Weather. I'm just going to put this into the crease. Not really worried about this outer corner too much. Just adding a little bit more definition. Small little strokes and then circular motions. MAC 242 and Ladies Dancing. Going to apply this to the outer half of the lid. And another MAC 242 and Springtime for this inner portion of the lid. And then back in with a little bit of Ladies Dancing. I'm just kind of going to merge these two together so they blend well. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of that green and apply it to the lower inner corner. And I'm going to add mascara and lashes and liner, and I'll be back. To finish off the look, all I did was add on Hallberg Cosmetics Avoir Flash to the top for my liner, and then I put Nars via Veneto on the inner rim. I left the lower lash line blank just because I wanted it to be a little bit more clean, and then Poise Kiss lashes. So as I was doing my eyes, I was trying to figure out like, what tangerine nude do I have? And Nars Vabiki is what came to mind. So that is what I'm going to finish off the look with. And this is the finished look. I'm I'm kind of happy with the way this turned out. I think it's cute. And just in case anyone's curious how I came up with this, as I was doing my eyes, it's like hard for me to say why I'm choosing what I'm choosing. I'm just kind of thinking and brainstorming. So looking at the shades, this one was the lightest matte shade. It was like obvious that that was going to go into the crease, and then this one to deepen it up. My trouble came with these two because they're so similar that I was like, okay, one of these is going to deepen up the crease just a little bit more, and because this one was just a little bit darker, but also this one does not have the same kind of intensity. Like this one is much more like wet looking. So I was like, okay, a little bit more in the crease and then outer V, because this one was obviously going to go on the lid. So that was my whole thought process behind doing this, and I think it turned out well. I can't wait to go watch Angelica's video. You guys also please go and check her out, show her some love, and let me know if you enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.